Hi, here we have a question from exercise 1.1. Check whether 6 to the power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. So let's check. 6 to the power n, and natural number is n, so we can take from 1. 6 to the power 1 would be 2 into 3 to the power 1, that is 2 into 3. And this number will be 6 itself. If you take 6 to the power 2, so this will be 2 into 3 to the power 2, that is 2 to the power 2, 3 to the power 2, 4 into 9, that is 36. So in this way, if we keep on finding, let's say 6 to the power 3, so this will be 2 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3, that is 2 to the power 3 is 8 and 3 to the power 3 is 27. So this is 216. Now if we see, so it is never going to end in a 0. It is always ending in a 6. Even if we go for 6 to the power 4, 6 to the power 5, so it is always going to end with a digit 6. And it is not going to end with a digit 0. So we can write that 6 to the power n will not end with a digit 0. Now, the answer we can get here in the factors itself, because the factors carry only 2 and 3. To end with 0, it should have factors 2 and 5. 2 and 5 is 10, 2 to the power 2, 5 to the power 2, that is 10 to the power 2. So always if they have a factor 2 and 5 only, then only it can end with 0. Otherwise, it will not end in 0. Here, as the factors are 2 and 3, so it will end in 6.